everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, we will cover a new chapter of biology, that is evolution. So, evolution biology is the study of history of life forms on the earth. Origin of life is considered of unique events in the history of the universe. Experimental representation of Miller's experiment. The first non-cellular form of life could have originated 3 million years back, and they could have been giant molecules like RNA, protein, and polysaccharides. Evidences are the paleontological evidences, homologous organs, analogous structures, biochemical evidences, and many more. Evolution by natural selection. In this is the called as industrial Mennelism. A case of natural selection was seen in England in 1850s, and that is before the industrialization, that is peppered moth. In the peppered moth, this moth has two forms, grey and black. The grey color form of moths were present, the dark were more rare, and the grey colored moths were seen on the tree trunks covered with lichens, and so they were able to escape from the enemies. Later, in 1920, due to development of industries, post-industrialization, the lichens were killed and the tree trunks looked dark due to the deposition of industrial soot. Birds now were able to spot these moths and feed upon them. So the grey colored moths were eaten by the birds and the dark colored moth escaped. This has reduced the soot production and ultimately less deposition of soot on the tree trunk. Then evolution by anthropogenic action, that is the resistance of mosquitoes to pesticides. Then adaptive radiation, the process of evolution of different species in a given geographical area, starting from a point and radiating to other areas of geography, is called as adaptive radiation. Darwin Finch's is the best example of adaptive radiation. Then Australian marsupials are also the examples of adaptive radiation. Then biological evolution. The nature select for fittest, and the fitness is based on characteristics which are inherited. Darwin theory of natural selection was based on certain observations like limited natural resources, overpopulation, competition for resources, struggle for existence, survival for the fittest. And then the mechanism, Hugo de Verres, based on his work on evening primrose, brought forth of the idea of mutation. Mutation is the large difference arising suddenly in population. Then difference among the Lamarckism, Darwinism, and mutation theory. Lamarckism theory believes that every organism has an internal vital force. Then Darwinism does not believe in internal vital force. In mutation, no internal vital force is involved. In Lamarckism, animals with well-developed nervous system react consciously to any change. Then Darwinism does not involve any conscious reaction, same as mutation. Then Lamarckism theory considers appetency or desires on the parts of animals an important force of development of modification. And in Darwinism and mutation, constituent of theory is not applicable and appetency is not involved. Then Hardy-Weinberg principle, in a given population, frequency of occurrence of alleles or genes can be found out. This principle states that allele frequency in a population are stable and is constant from generation to generation. The gene pool remain constant, and this is called as genetic equilibrium, and sum total of the all allelic frequency is 1. Binomial expansion of p plus q का whole square equals to p square plus 2pq equals to plus q square equals to 1, where p and q are frequency of allele A and allele spawn A in a population. The factors that affect the Hardy-Weinberg principle are gene migration or gene flow, genetic drift, mutation, genetic recombination, natural selection. Then the brief account of evolution. About 2000 million years ago, first cellular form of life appeared on the earth. Slowly single-cell organisms become multicellular forms, and by the time 500 million years ago, invertebrates were formed and active. Jawless fish evolved around 350 million years ago, and organisms started to invade from water to land. Fish with stout and strong fins could move on land and go back to water. These animals, called lobe fins, evolved in the first amphibians. Later, these amphibians evolved into reptiles. They shelled eggs. These then reptile of different shape and size dominated on earth. Fish like reptiles, the biggest of them was Tyrannosaurus rex. Some of the reptiles evolved into birds and later some of them to mammals, and mammals were viviparous and more intelligent in sensing and avoiding danger. So this was for today's video. Hope you liked it and understood it. This is the whole summary of the chapter evolution. If you want the PDF, please comment below. We'll share it. Thank you for watching my video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.